Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. It's a YouTube tutor here, and today I'm showing you how to solve 83 squared in seconds with this simple trick I just learned. So to start with, our first digit is 8. We take the square of 8, which gives us 64. The next digit is 3. 3 squared also gives us 9, so we can write 9 as 09. So we write our combination here this way. Now what do? We multiply 8 and 3 and the exponent as well. So now we have 8 times 3 giving us 24 times the exponent, which gives us 48. With that, we can now write 48 here and add a 0 to it and sum it up. 9 plus 0 gives us 9. 8 plus 0 gives us 8. 4 plus 4 gives us another 8. And 6 plus nothing is still 6. So now we can conclude that 83 squared is 6,889. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye bye.